Everyone, this is KG Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video ang No Fear and Feel Good by Beanie Purse in Chicago 2025. So I won't take any longer, let's all watch this. G. Ay. Dear, ginawa nilang party-party talaga. I swear. Party-party talaga sila. Okay. Ala, ang ganda ng music. Pero yung stage nila, very uniform lahat, no? No fear. Okay. Wow, the tone of the voice of Mika. Love that. Si Maloy talaga ayaw pa ano. Eksena talaga si Maloy. I love Maloy here sa Fairmont. Okay. Da-da-da-da. Yes. Eh, party sila, team party sila. I love it. I love it. Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay. Oh my God. Atake. Ay, atake sila. Marami bang moments? May kaya moments? Ah. Grabe yung low notes. Para sa isa't isa. Magaan. Okay, G. Ang pag-sustain ni Joanna. Favorite ko talaga yung part na yan. Oh, feel good. You're the paradise, you're the paradise. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yes. Yes. Okay. Para sa isa't isa. Gila. G. Ating nararamdaman. Feel good. Shucks, kung andyan ako, magtitwerk talaga ako, mami. Charis. The paradise, on the paradise. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yan nasa ilap. Pinapangarap. Nag-enjoy si Akla. Nasa isip ka ng panaginip. Ay, ayan na. Atake sila, atake. Atake. Atake, mami. G. Ganda ng tunog ng I Feel Good. Nasa ulap, ikaw pinapangarap. Grabe si Maloy. Alam mo, mapapansin mo talaga si Maloy eh. Pag mag-perform talaga si Maloy, bigay todo eh. Pak! Yes! Ay! Atake! I love how they ended that. I love how they ended that. Ay, sorry. Okay. Ay! Beaniverse!
That was energetic. Yes, Beaniverse, a universe of different emotions.
May chika-chika pa pala sila.
Moments of happiness.
Yes.
In our Beaniverse, we will give you all the love that we
Okay, there you go guys. So that's it for today's video. The No Fear and Feel Good by Beanie. This is Katie Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!